Welcome friends. This is our new segment of GS video. In this video, we will talk about Digital Health Mission, Nobel Prize Physics, Nobel Prize Chemistry, and discovery of dinosaur footprint in Rajasthan. Kindly like, subscribe, and share this video. Ayushman Bharat Digital Health Mission launched on 27th September by Prime Minister. It aims to give every citizen unique digital health ID. Every citizen of this country will get a unique digital health ID. How it works? It will keep health record of patients digitally protected and making health holistic and inclusive model. People who will visit the hospital, their health record will be kept digitally, and it will help in future treatment of that patient, and users can access their past health record also. It will help in preventive health care in case of disease and easy accessible treatment. Who is the agency? Agency is Health Ministry. Next topic is Nobel Prize in Physics 2021. It was given to 3 persons: Klaus Hasselmann of Max Planck Institute, Hamburg, Germany. Another person is Giorgio Parisi of Sapienza University, Rome, Italy. Why prize is given? For ground-breaking contribution to our understanding of complex physical system. Professor Menawe and Hasselmann will share half prize. Another prize will go to Professor Parisi. Menawe and Hasselmann bagged the prize for the physical modeling of Earth's climate, quantifying variability and reliable predicting the global warming. Means at least we can remember that Menawe and Hasselmann got the prize for work on global warming issues. Professor Parisi won for the discovery of the interplay of disorder and fluctuation in physical systems for atomic to planetary scales. Now we will talk about Nobel Prize in Chemistry. Nobel Prize in Chemistry is given to German gentleman Benjamin List of Max Planck Institute and Scotland-born David W.C. Macmillan of Princeton University. They developed new way of catalysis. Another topic is lesser snow in river basin in Himachal Pradesh. As we know, climate change is a very favorite issue of competitive examination. So, a recent study by State Center on Climate Change and Space Application Center ISRO, they used advanced wide field sensor satellite. They found that there is decrease of 18.5% in snow during this winter. Which rivers are affected? Satluj, Ravi, Chenab and Byas. Another topic is dinosaur footprint found in Jaisalmer. So we know about dinosaurs from Jurassic Park movies, and how old this dinosaur footprint is? 200 million years. Where? In Thar Desert, Jaisalmer district. It is believed that they lived here in Mesozoic era, and this part was seashore of Tethys Sea. Footprint made in the sediment later become permanent. These footprints belongs to 3 different type of dinosaurs. One is Ebrontus cf gigantus, another is Eurobontus glenrosensis. These two were bigger dinosaurs. Another